Hello everybody, welcome to Premiere Pro course. This course helps you to create video that you have imagined in your mind. It doesn't differ either there are family and friendly genre or documentary and cinema movie. In this course we will teach you Premiere Pro from basic and explain all the available items and options, and you will learn lots of effects and how to use them in appropriate positions and how to work with settings of each video clip after applying effects. Many kinds of tools will be introduced to you, and you also will learn all the ways for writing text on the clip or making subtitle for movie, syncing audio and video, multi-camera editing, and using green screen for visual effects, and many other cases such as installing plugins and producing presets as an element in software will be taught. You need to use all of them together to have professional video clip, and finally you can export your video clip which you design. After watching this course, if there is any question about editing and producing video clip, of course you can contact us and we will help you as soon as possible.